Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. In this video, we will try to understand how to apply pension credit in the year 2026. First, we will try to understand eligibility, then what you will get, and then after that, how to claim pension credit. So without wasting time, let's start. Pension credit gives you extra money to help with your living costs if you are over state pension and on a low income. Pension credit can also help with housing costs such as ground rent or service charges. You might get extra help if you are a carer, severely disabled, or responsible for a child or a young person. Pension credit is separate from your state pension. Don't get confused between pension credit and state pension. Watch this video. I've showed what is state pension and how you can claim. And watch this video in which I have explained how you can check your state pension age. You can get pension credit even if you have other income, savings, or your own home. To be eligible for state pension, you must live in Scotland, England, or Wales. If you are from EU, Switzerland, Norway, Iceland, you and your family usually also need settled or pre-settled status under the EU settlement scheme to get pension credit. Now let's try to understand what you will actually get. Your weekly income to £227.10 if you are single. This is what you will get pension credit top-ups. So your weekly income to £227. Your jointly income to £346.60 if you have a partner. You may get extra amount if you have other responsibilities and cost. The top up and extra amount are known as guarantee credit. And if you have severe disability, in that case, you could get extra £82.90 a week if you get any of the following. Number 1, attendance allowance. Number 2, the middle or highest rate of care component of disability living allowance. We also call that DLA. The daily living component of personal independence payment, PIP. Armed Forces Independence Payment, the daily living component of adult disability payment, pension age disability payment, the middle or highest rate of care component of Scottish adult disability living allowance. In any of these cases, you can get £82.90 a week on top of what you will get previously. And if you care for another adult, then you could get extra £46.40 a week if you get carer allowance, or you get carer support payment, or you have claimed carer allowance but are not being paid because you already get another benefit paying a higher amount. If you and your partner have both claim and or are getting carer allowance, you can both get this extra amount. Now let's understand how to claim pension credit. For this, we will go on gov.uk, the only genuine website. In the search section, just write pension credit. You will end up on this page. Click this link. At the fourth option, how to claim. Click on this link, go down, and this is where you will be able to claim. If you wanted to check if you are eligible, that's how you can check. When you can apply, you can check that as well. And if you go down at the end of this page, you will see this apply now. If I click apply now, this will ask me series of questions. Information you will need to apply online. So the first information is, do you have right information to make an online application for pension credit? For example, do you have NI number, detail of income and pensions, detail of money saving and investment, usually for last 3 months? Yes. Which country do you live? So let's suppose England. How we will use your information? This is what they explains. Click continue. Enter your date of birth. So let's suppose I put my date of birth. Continue. You cannot apply for pension credit yet because it says you can apply for pension credit up to 4 months before you reach your state pension age. My state pension age is different. If you wanted to know your state pension age, watch this video. I have showed how you can calculate your state pension age. Mine is 2048. So that's how you can check yours as well. And if you wanted to apply by phone or by post, you can do that. Go on the same page, pension credit. Click the fourth one, how to claim. Go down, apply by phone. This is the pension claim phone line, 0800 991234. You dial this number and you can do that. You can also apply by post. To apply by post, you fill this form or you claim the line for that. So if I fill this form, for example, if I show you this form, this is how the form looks like. So all these questions, you can download this form online, or I'll put the link in the description of the video so you can do that yourself. These are the questions which they will ask from you when you will phone them regardless. So this is how you can apply yourself. If you have come to my channel first time, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, put that in the comment section and I'll get back to you.